Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Chris from ProUp Digital. In our today's video, we shall be looking at a practical step-by-step guide on how you can register for SCUML and get your certificate ready within the space of 2 to 3 weeks. Based on the previous video I did via my channel, I've received a lot of messages from people asking when will I publish a practical step-by-step guide on how they can get their SCUML certificate. So, equal to it, I've decided to uh, create out this time to teach you how you can apply for your business or your company or your association or NGO SCUML certificate. The process is very simple. All you just have to do is for you to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. So please and please, if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we publish great content like this. Subscribing to my YouTube channel is 100% free. That is the only way you can encourage us to keep on publishing great content like this in the future. In order not to bore you guys with more talk, let's quickly dive into the subject matter of today. So to apply for your SCUML certificate is very simple. All you just have to do is for you to visit the SCUML website, which is scum.org. So from the website, you hover down to where you will see DNFBS online registration. The DNFBS stands for Designated Non-Financial Businesses and Professions. So you click on it. So when you click on it, it will direct you to this page where you will see the requirements before you can commence your registration. Now, for every designated business or professions, the requirement is peculiar, although there is a general requirement, which is it is expected that such business should be registered with their Corporate Affairs Commission, and every document necessary for the registration should be uploaded, such as the certificate of incorporation, the status report if it is a business name, tax identification number, and so on and so forth. Now, apart from this general requirements, it is also expected that such business should have its respective operating license. So it depends on the kind of business in question. So let's take, for instance, assuming you are trying to carry out this registration for an auditing firm. It is expected that the owners of the firm should be a registered accountant and they should have the practicing license. So therefore, part of the requirement is, apart from the CAC certificate and other necessary documents obtained from the Corporate Affairs Commission, you are also expected to upload the practicing license of the owner of the firm. So that's all about that. Then you proceed down gradually. Then you scroll down below and click on this button to click on I have read and understand the registration guidelines and wish to proceed with the registration. Then click on proceed with registration. Now it will now direct you to this page where you are to commence the registration proper. Note that this registration is divided into 3 sections. The first section is about you imputing information about the company or the business or the incorporated trustee that you are carrying out the registration for. Then the second stage entails imputing information of the owners of the organization. Then the third stage entails you uploading all relevant documents in their original form. So let's proceed. So in section 1, category, have to select the DNFBS, which is the designated non-financial business and professions. Then under CSE registration type, you have to select the type of registration. Is it a company, is it a registered company, or a business name? So for this particular video, we are carrying the registration is for a business name, so select BN. Then the sector, you have to select the type of the industry in which the organization that you are carrying out this registration. Under the main business objectives, you have to type in the objective of the business. Incorporation number, input the incorporation number here. So you just try to fill in every relevant information about the organization excellently and ensure that it is free from error. You need to take note about this, which is choose SCUML office to pick up the certificate. So please and please, this section is very important. Now take note, it is only the owner of the business that have the right to go to the SCUML office and collect the certificate. So therefore, you have to select the zonal office that is closer to the owner of the business. So that's this section all about. So you can see, just try to input all informations of the business here. Now this is the second step. Then click on begin step 2 to direct you to the stage where you have to provide relevant informations of the owner of the business. So it's very simple. Input the person's full name, date of birth, and so on and so forth. Don't waste much time here. So when you're done imputing all relevant information, you have to click on next. So when you click on next, it will now take you to the third section where you have to upload all relevant documents for the company or for the business or for the incorporated trustee, like an NGO, church, and so on and so forth. Please and please, you need to take notes of something like I told you initially, that the document that you are expected to upload should be in their original form and they should be scanned in one folder. Thank you. So click on upload document. So after uploading your documents, automatically your application will be submitted to the agency for further review. So when they review and they are okay with the information provided, both the written, both the imputed and the document uploaded, then they will approve it, and within the space of 2 to 3 weeks you will get your certificate will be available or ready for collection. So that is all about how to apply for your business SCUML certificate. So if you are yet to watch the previous video I did where I talked about everything you need to know about SCUML, the objective and the reason why you need to register your business for SCUML, and also to know if your business fall under the category of organizations that are expected to register for SCUML. Kindly check the description of this video. You will see the initial video I uploaded. And again, after you might have uploaded and submit your application, you don't just relax there. All you need to do is go back to the website, go back to the SCUML website. Now go back to the SCUML website, then from the home page scroll down to where you will see the SCUML offices. Now try to search for the zonal office that you initially selected for the certificate pickup. So let's assume that you selected Kaduna, so you click on Kaduna, then you see the address of their zonal office here in Kaduna. Now what you will do here is try to reach out to them, let them know that you have submitted your application and they should assist you review and approve. You can either send a mail to them, or you can call them, or you can visit their office, so whichever it is appropriate. So that's all about how you can apply for your business SCUML certificate. So please, if you enjoy this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and share this video to your family and friends that have been finding it challenging to register for their SCUML certificate. And if you are here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we publish great content like this in the future. And also, if you wish to join my masterclass where you will learn how to carry out different forms of registration like business name registration, company registration, and NGO registration, and so on and so forth, kindly check the description of this video for my contact and message me so that I will get you onboarded in my masterclass where you will learn all of this. Thank you and remember, I am Chris, I am ProWeb Digital.